Hello, everyone, and welcome back to My English Teacher, where learning feels like a friendly chat, not a classroom. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you're listening from.
Paul, today feels like a perfect day to talk. The sound of coffee being poured, people chatting softly around us, it just feels alive.
And I already have my big cup of coffee ready. I'm in full English practice mode.
That's great because today's topic is daily English conversation practice, how to bring English into your everyday life naturally.
That's one of my favorite topics. It's not about studying for hours, it's about living in English, right?
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave enough to start small.
So, Emily, where do we start?
Let's start where many good conversations begin, at the coffee shop. You're sleepy, you want your coffee, and suddenly you're practicing English without even realizing it.
I love that. Okay, let's act it out. I'll be the customer. You work at the coffee shop.
Deal. Here we go. Hello. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have one coffee, please?
Sure. Hot or iced?
It's so sunny today. I'll take an iced coffee, please.
Good choice. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Okay. One medium iced coffee. Would you like milk with that?
No, thank you. Just black.
No problem. Anything else?
Do you have banana bread?
Oh, let me check. I'm sorry, not today.
Okay, then just one chocolate cookie.
Perfect. That's one medium black iced coffee and one chocolate cookie.
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your cookie, and your coffee will be ready in 1 minute.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
You too.
And scene.
That was fun and delicious.
See, that's how easy it is. You don't need fancy words, just a few polite phrases and a friendly tone.
Exactly. Can I have? Would you like? Here you are. Those are gold.
Yes, and here's a quick pronunciation tip. When you say, can I have, connect the sounds. Can I have sounds like connive. It's softer and more natural.
Oh, that's good. Can I have coffee?
Exactly. And remember, a smile always helps your English sound better.
I like that advice. Okay, what's our next situation?
Let's go shopping. Everyone shops, right? Clothes, gifts, even socks.
Okay, I'll be the customer this time.
And I'll be the shop assistant. Let's begin. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Of course. What color do you like?
I like blue or green.
We have a beautiful blue t-shirt right here.
Oh, yes. That's perfect. What size is it?
This one is medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Over there, next to the mirror.
Okay. It fits great.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $15.
All right, I'll take it.
Perfect. Will you pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
All done. Here's your t-shirt and a bag.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a lovely day.
Thanks, you too.
And that's another easy conversation you can use in real life.
Yeah, and I like how friendly it sounds. Not just words, but connection.
Exactly. When you're kind, your English shines, even if your grammar isn't perfect.
So true. And it's okay to make mistakes, right?
Of course. Mistakes mean you're learning. Every oops is progress.
I love that. Okay, where do we go next?
Let's take a walk outside. You're in a new city, the sky is cloudy, and you suddenly realize you're lost.
Oh no. Classic traveler moment.
Yes. So what do? You start with the magic words, excuse me.
Polite and powerful. Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. Then you can ask, where is the train station? Or where is the bus stop?
Or, where is the bathroom? Very important.
Absolutely essential. Let's practice one.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
It's easy. Go straight, then turn left. It's on the right side.
Go straight, turn left, it's on the right. Got it.
And then you say, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See, that's all you need. A little confidence and some simple phrases.
I love how each situation feels like a mini story. You're not studying, you're living English.
Exactly. That's the secret. Small moments, real practice.
And even small talk, like with the weather, can open big doors.
We'll get to that soon, but first let's pause here for our listeners. If you're enjoying this episode, give it a big thumbs up. It helps us so much and tells us you'd like more episodes like this one.
And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English channel. We post new conversations to help you speak naturally, confidently, and joyfully.
That's right. You're not just learning English, you're building a new version of yourself, one conversation at a time.
Beautifully said, Emily. Okay, what's next after directions?
Next, we'll talk about meeting new people and making small talk, like at a party or your first day at work.
Oh, I get nervous just thinking about that.
Don't worry, Paul. We'll make it fun. All right, Paul, let's set the scene. You walk into a party. Music plays softly, people are talking, and you don't know anyone yet.
Oh no, that's always a little scary. I stand there holding my drink thinking, what do I say first?
Exactly. Many learners feel the same, but it's easier than you think. You start with a smile and a simple hi.
Okay, let's practice. I'll be me, and you'll be a new person I meet.
Deal.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Hi, Paul. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's really nice. The music is good.
I agree. So, do you live around here?
Yes, I live nearby. And you?
I'm visiting from the next town.
Oh, cool. What do you do, Paul?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a writer.
A writer. That sounds interesting.
See? That's it. A full conversation with just a few simple questions.
Yeah, what's your name? Do you live here? What do you do? They're simple but friendly.
Exactly. And you can always ask about hobbies.
Ah, hobbies. Everyone likes to talk about what they love.
Let's try that. So, Paul, what do you do in your free time?
I like to play guitar and read books.
That's cool. I love music.
Thanks. What about you?
I enjoy hiking and watching movies.
We should go hiking sometime.
That's a good idea. See? You just made a new friend.
That was easier than I expected, and I didn't even feel nervous after a few lines.
Exactly. When you focus on curiosity, not perfection, conversations feel lighter.
That's so true. Okay, Emily, let's move on. What about making plans with friends?
Great idea. Let's pretend you're calling me.
Okay, phone ringing. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Emily, it's Paul. How are you?
Hi, Paul. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday? Yes, I'm free in the afternoon. Why?
The weather's nice. Do you want to go to the park?
That sounds wonderful. What time?
How about 2 p.m.?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the big clock tower near the park entrance.
Great. I know that place. See you on Saturday.
See you then.
And there we go. That's a full conversation to make a plan.
I like how natural it sounds. Are you free on? Do you want to? Let's meet at. Easy and useful.
Exactly. And what if you're not free?
Yes. Let's try that too.
Go for it.
Hi, Emily. Are you free on Saturday?
Oh, I'm sorry, Paul. I'm visiting my family on Saturday.
No problem. What about Sunday?
Sunday is perfect.
Great. Let's go to the park on Sunday then.
See? It's okay to say, I'm sorry, I'm busy. It sounds polite and honest.
Yes, and it's better than just saying no.
Exactly. Politeness makes English feel warmer.
Speaking of warmth, let's talk about the weather.
Ah, yes, the world's favorite small talk.
You're standing at the bus stop. The air feels fresh, the sky is bright. You can just say, "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?"
Yes, and the other person will smile and say, It is so sunny.
But if the weather is bad, that's fine too. People love to complain together.
That's true. You can say, Oh, it's so cold today.
Yes, it is. I need my big coat.
Or, I can't believe this rain.
I know. I need my umbrella.
There, you've just had a conversation with a stranger.
It's amazing how something so small can make you feel connected.
Exactly. And you can use the same small talk anywhere, at a cafe, in a taxi, or at work.
I love that. It's like English isn't just a language, it's a bridge.
Beautifully said, Paul. And now, one last step how to end a conversation politely.
Ah, yes, because just walking away, not great.
Definitely not. So here's what you can say Well, I have to go now, or It was nice talking to you.
Or see you soon, have a nice day, take care.
Perfect. It ends the chat with kindness and respect.
Emily, I feel like we've just taken a full tour of daily English.
Yes, coffee, shopping, directions, meeting people, making plans, and talking about the weather. Real English for real life.
And you know what? I think our listeners can start using these right now.
That's right. Even if you remember just one phrase today, you're already improving.
Exactly. One phrase today, one more tomorrow. That's progress.
So don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, smile, and keep going.
Because English isn't only about grammar, it's about connection.
Well said, Paul. And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a big like.
And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Channel.
Share this episode with a friend and write in the comments, where do you practice your English every day?
Yes, maybe at a cafe, at work, or on the bus. We'd love to read your stories.
Every comment you write is another chance to practice,
So keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking.
because one small conversation today can lead to big confidence tomorrow.
That's beautiful, Emily.
Thank you, Paul, and thank you everyone for spending time with us today.
Have a wonderful day, friends.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.